In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 WARP on your Windows PC. Just follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and type 1.1.1.1 into the address bar. This will take you to the official Cloudflare website. Once you're there, select Windows as your device and click the download button. After the installer finishes downloading, open it and click Yes if Windows asks for permission to make changes. Wait a few moments while Cloudflare WARP installs on your computer. When the installation is complete, accept the terms of service to continue. The Cloudflare WARP app will now open. From here, you can turn WARP on or off with a single click. You can also switch between the available connection modes, depending on your needs. To check your connection, open the connectivity section. If everything is working correctly, you'll see that your DNS is connected through DNS over WARP. That's it. Cloudflare WARP is now set up and ready to use. You can close the app at any time, and whenever you want to reconnect or disconnect, simply search for Cloudflare WARP in the Windows Start menu and open it again.